What did Grayson get in his basket? What did you get in your basket? Wow, the Easter Bunny left you that. Open it up. Oh, wow, it's a big Barney. You like that, don't you? What else is in your basket? Grayson. Grayson. You like your puffs? Say Happy Easter. Brody, say Happy Easter. Did the Easter Bunny come? He's singing the Barney song. You're supposed to put all the eggs in your basket and then you can open them.